Hi everybody, Shadow Flame here, and we're back for another Ori and the Blind Forest Let's Play. Sorry for taking so long for this video to come out. I had a few other things going on, and I put this off for quite a bit. So let's get back into it. This is part 9. So when we last left off, we continued climbing the Ginso tree, and we found the heart right here, as you can see. We'd also, unless we'd covered that in episode number 8 and number 7, unlocked Bash, which has to do this. Not like that, though. Anyways, we have to restore the Ginso tree. We already restored one in the last episode, one side. So now we have to restore the other side. So, we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna take care of these guys straight away, because they're gonna get annoying eventually. Then I'm gonna take care of the projectile. Okay. Okay. Yep, not that failed. Okay, let's try this again. Usually these first 3 are the easiest. I think the hardest one is getting from here, because sometimes landing this final bash is hard. Almost got hit by that. And there we go. Usually it's a lot more annoying than that. When I first tried this, it was a lot more annoying. So we unlocked the second part. So now all I have to do is just head down. There's a little spot right here. I'm not gonna save. So here we go. Now we can explore the elemental waters. With this one rekindled, there's one more to go. So she does her big spirit powers. And now we have to run. I'm not gonna collect the bonuses because I could potentially get killed, and that's not good. Ow. Come on. Thank you. Oh boy. Nope, I'm dead. Okay, gotta restart this. Not like that. Oh, this isn't going good. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Ow. Oh god, lag. Almost there. I think we got it this time. Yep, we got this. Or no, we don't. Just so close that last time. So let's try this again. Hopefully this time we'll make it. Third time's the charm. Like, dang it. Hope this is not going to take the entire episode. This time, we got this. No, we don't. That was a bad mistake. Nope, nope. Dang it. Come on. Got this. So, unfortunately, I'm out of time. I'm gonna have to leave this here. Hopefully, in the next episode, I can finally get past Ginso Tree. Boys, it's gonna be annoying. So, hope you enjoyed this, and bye.